Hey guys, so what we have here is a set of beautiful carbon fiber side skirt for the Aventador. Um, when I got the car, I noticed something is not right with the side skirt that was previously installed on the Aventador. It wasn't. It was like it has a lot of movement on the side skirt. And it looks like it may fly off the car when you on a high speed anytime. I mean, you can feel the side skirt right here. I mean, I can just wiggle in it. You can't even move it. I can literally step on it, no problem. And that's how it's supposed to be mounted on the car. So I took it off, and here are the screw that was holding on one side. Okay, and this one was holding on to the other side. Okay, so I noticed that the person or the shop, whatever installed this side skirt, did not even drill all this hole right here. It's supposed to be 10 holes on each side, and that was sharing the same factory location for the mounting points without a screw. So I took all the screws off, and then the first thing I did on the other side was I drilled all the holes right here. So 10 of them on each side, and this one is kind of short, so we're gonna use a really nice stainless bolt on each side. So 10 of them on each side, and then the factory one is too short, so we're not gonna use this. We use a nicer one, and then a roll of the double side tape. So we're gonna tape it nicely, so that will keep all the rocks and everything get in between. And so here we have somebody retread all this, not retread, but I'm gonna clean them out to make sure all the factory holes are nice and clean. So when we use the new bolts, it's nice and easy to tie them in. Okay, nice and clean. Clean them out. Okay. That. Then we'll clean them underneath here, and then we're gonna run a double-sided tape all the way front, all the way to the back. Okay. And okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and install this passenger side. I'm gonna clean them out, and then once I install this, I will show you how it's supposed to be. And before, there was a gap between the side skirt and the rear panel right here. It was leaving the gap because they didn't push the side skirt further in. All right, so we got this side on very nicely. All the way to the front. And you don't see no more gap right here. Just little thing, but make it fit make it fits right, and it makes me feel good. So now I'm gonna start on a driver's side. Did a carbon wrap for the side door seal. This piece right here. I mean, this piece you can get it in the real carbon, probably run you around $1,200 to $1,500 for a pair, which is this side, passenger side, and driver side. But we don't want to, you know, spend that money just for the door seal. So we put a wrap on. So it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than raw black. See? Looks good. For $10. You can't beat that. Cannot.